In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image gallery in Squarespace. First, open your Squarespace site editor. From your dashboard, head into your website and enter edit mode so you can make changes on the page. This puts the page into a state where you can add content and immediately see what it will look like. Next, go to the page where you want the gallery to appear. You can open it from the Pages panel or navigate to it right on the canvas. Think about placement. A gallery works well near the top as a visual introduction, or lower on the page to support the text above it. Now add space for your images. If you want a full width area, add a new section. If you're placing the gallery inside an existing area, add a new block instead. Either way, look for the option to insert content and choose a blank area so you have full control over the layout. When the content chooser appears, select the gallery option. Squarespace lets you place a gallery as its own section or as a block within a section, and both behave similarly. You'll see a placeholder that will be filled by your images and controlled by settings. Upload the images you want to include. Drag and drop multiple files at once or use the upload button. For the cleanest results, use images with consistent dimensions and good compression so the page loads quickly. You can reorder images by dragging them and remove any you decide not to keep. If your design uses captions, add short descriptive captions now so they flow with the layout. With your images in place, adjust the gallery layout and display settings. Choose the style that fits your page, such as grid, carousel, or slideshow. Fine-tune columns, spacing, and aspect ratio to control the rhythm of the layout. Decide how clicking an image behaves, open in a lightbox or link to a page, and set hover effects, corner style, and alignment as needed. Check caption position and text style, and use cropping settings to keep subjects centered and edges clean. Finally, save the page and preview the final gallery. Use Preview to see how it looks without the editor interface, and switch to mobile, tablet, and desktop views to confirm everything scales well. If something feels off, return to the settings, make small adjustments, and save again until the gallery looks just right. And that's it. You've created a polished Squarespace gallery that's ready to showcase your images beautifully.